Most e-commerce brands use Klaviyo, but very few use it to its full revenue potential. The difference isn't sending more emails, it's sending smarter ones. In this video, I'll show you how to increase e-commerce revenue using Klaviyo step by step in 2026. All right. First rule. Flows drive most e-commerce revenue, not campaigns. If your welcome, abandoned cart, and post-purchase flows are weak, no campaign strategy will save you. Always optimize flows first. Next, segmentation. Stop emailing everyone the same message. Create segments based on behavior like viewed product, added to cart, repeat buyer, or high-value customer. Relevant emails convert better always. Now, your welcome flow. This is often your highest converting flow. Use it to set expectations, highlight bestsellers, and build trust, not just push discounts. First impressions matter. All right? Abandoned browse and abandoned cart flows recover lost revenue. Send the first message quickly while intent is high. Remind, reassure, then add urgency. Timing matters more than clever copy here. Revenue isn't just first purchases. Use post-purchase flows to recommend related products, educate customers, and encourage repeat orders. Increasing lifetime value is cheaper than acquiring new customers. Now, sending habits. Over emailing kills engagement and deliverability. Send more to engaged users, less to inactive ones. Protecting deliverability protects revenue. Next, content optimization, clear subject lines, simple layouts, and one main call to action. Emails that are easy to scan get more clicks, especially on mobile. Finally, measure what matters. Track revenue per recipient, conversion rate, and repeat purchase rate. Open rates alone don't pay the bills. Revenue metrics do. And that's how e-commerce revenue grows with Klaviyo. Strong flows, smart segmentation, controlled sending, and constant optimization. Do this consistently, and revenue increases without burning your list.